Hey guys, it's Rich, our Jemison Timber Frame Company. Hey, we're still working on this rotten corner. We've got the box frame done below. We've got the sill replaced. You'll notice down here we've got some pocket holes where we screwed the box frame into the sill, countersink the screws on the other side, so it looks kind of neat. We got this pretty well in place on the bottom. What it looks like on the top is we've got pretty much all the rot cut out. So the two top plates, as you can see right here, were rotten, so we cut them back. And the top box frame on both sides, we've cut that back. We've cut back these two sills over here. Excuse me, those two top plates. So now we're going to get ready to do some more work here to build some stud walls. We're going to put some treatment on these walls so that we don't get bug infestation moving forward. Tomorrow we're going to be going up top here, and to locate this corner properly, we're going to run a plumb bob from up here down to here. And once we get that plumbed up, then we'll know exactly where to get the wall, so that way we've got a nice straight wall, and we'll be able to put a faceboard on there that is straight, so when we go back to clapboard, everything will fit up nice. All right, give me some feedback. Click like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.